What is good, NIO family? It's Rey-Jay back with another video. And in this one, I'm going to be talking about the one and only NIO stock, break down some key levels for the share price, and also talk about a very big move that's coming to NIO in just a couple of days. Before I break anything down, let me just mention that I'm not a financial planner. Make sure you take none of this as financial advice whatsoever. And also, if you guys can, please smash the like button if you want to see more videos like this. It not only benefits me, it benefits the entire community as a whole. Don't forget about the Webull link. The offer ends very soon. In just about 2 days, deposit any amount of money and you're guaranteed up to 12 free stocks. They could be worth up to $3,000 each, and any could be a free Tesla share. All right, so check it out before they run out. 2 days are left. Now, anyways, for NIO, let me just mention that the big catalyst that's coming is going to be NIO's deliveries. We're almost at the end of May, so as soon as June 1st comes, for China, NIO is going to report deliveries. If NIO does well, NIO is going to launch to the upside. It's going to explode. If NIO does not do well, it could get a big rug pull, and we could see NIO drop much lower. But for now, let's talk about what's happening for the week. We have lots of unemployment data coming out between Wednesday and Friday. The unemployment rate for Friday, for Thursday, initial jobless claims, the JOLTS data for Wednesday, and then for tomorrow, between 10 and 10:30 a.m. Eastern time, expect lots of volatility because of the consumer confidence report and the Dallas Fed manufacturing index. The debt ceiling is in. There could be a positive or negative reaction depending on your interpretation of it. The market was pumping approaching the event, so this could be a buy the rumor, sell the news event, causing some downside later on. Also because this could lead the Fed to being more hawkish, or this could lead to the market continuing to pump as the market's excited about the fact that there won't be a default, and shorts could use this to try to, market makers may use this to try to squeeze shorts. Anyways, what does all of this mean for NIO? It all depends on what the market does. If SPY breaks 420, it's going to fly to 425 to 426. If SPY rejects off 420, it's going to be testing 417.5 to 418. If that fails, we're going to be watching all the way down to like the 415 area and then like the 410 area. For Tesla, for bullish, we're going to retest 195. If that breaks, 198 to 200 is going to be important. Break that, then 205 to 207 could come. If Tesla fails to break 200 and 198 and it just rejects from here, 192 to 190 is going to be important. If it fails at 190, it's going to make its way all the way down to this imbalance zone around 184. Okay, so watch those zones carefully. For the QQQ for bullish, it's going to fly above 350, make its way up to 355. If it fails to do so, 345 is going to come. If that fails, 340 flat is going to be important. What does all of this mean for NIO? If the market gets the pump, NIO is going to retest $8 tomorrow. Not tomorrow, over the next 2 trading days. If the market keeps pumping, it's going to make its way up to 8. Break 8, there's going to be 8.05, 8.19, followed by 8.69. If NIO fails to do so, 7.5 is going to be major support, followed by 7.25 and $7 flat. Now, I don't know how this is going to play out because it depends heavily on how the market moves. And I think the market's going to dictate NIO for the time being alongside pieces of news. However, here's the thing. Even if NIO chomps around for tomorrow and the day after, that could be okay if we get a very good deliveries report for May. The last report that came out for NIO was poor. Let's hope we get something much better. If NIO gets us a very strong report, there's going to be a massive move very soon by the time we get to about June in just a couple of days, and that could help NIO pump more, or it could cause NIO to crash. So be ready. Thank you all for listening. Watch support and resistance very carefully. I am leaning a little bit more bullish because NIO is trying to base around 7.5. I'm hoping it tries to make its way up to $8, but I'm always going to be open-minded depending on how the market reacts to the debt ceiling. So watch support and resistance, and that's what I have for this one. Enjoy Memorial Day. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I want to keep this one short. NIO to the moon alongside the whole market, and peace out.